In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Outlook. This is a quick and simple process that lets you customize Outlook to display in your preferred language, whether you're using it for work, school, or personal email. This works for the web version of Outlook and can make your email experience much more comfortable if English isn't your first language or if you simply prefer working in another language. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook in your web browser or desktop application. Once Outlook loads, look for the settings icon, which is typically a gear symbol located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. In the Settings panel that appears, navigate to General. This is where you'll find various general preferences for your Outlook account. Within the General section, click on Language and Time. This option controls both the display, language and time zone settings for Outlook. You'll now see a list of available languages. Click on the language drop-down menu and browse through the options to find your preferred language. Select the language you want Outlook to display in by clicking on it. Once you've selected your preferred language, scroll down and click the Save button to finalize your changes. This ensures that your language preference is stored and applied to your account. After saving, you might need to restart Outlook for the changes to take full effect. Close your browser or quit the Outlook application completely, then reopen it. When Outlook loads again, it should now display in your newly selected language, and that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Outlook. It's a simple process that only takes a minute but can make a huge difference in your daily workflow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Outlook tutorials.